From this. Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel of Sukriya Zindagi. Today we have yet another very nice guest, very famous guest. His name is Sushant Mysorkar. Sushant, are you from Mysore?
No, no. We eat Mysore, that's all.
We eat.
Eat Mysore, that's all. We are not from Mysore.
Wonderful. So we have a lovely guest here, and he's doing a lot of unique work. And I would like to hear from him only what work he's doing as of now. And he has a thing called Brain Rhymes. Am I right, Sushant? Yes,
Yes.
I met Sushant recently, but he has blown my mind away. And the activities that he does with children. I attended one meeting with the young teenagers, and I said, this is a meeting for me. I have to be part of this meeting because I am still a teenager. So thank you so much, Sushant, for coming on this show. So let me ask you some few questions. That what first tell us what are you doing right now, and then we'll go back to something on your childhood. Let's see.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Alka, for the nice introduction. And yeah, presently there are a lot of activities which we are moving on. We have programs from 3 years to as young as 90 years. And these programs are exclusively on brain development, how neuroscience works, how the brain works. So understanding of how the way you need to cultivate, motivate and comprehend so that you can get the best out of your brains.
Yeah.
Because we are all dependent on technology. I'm a very good fan of technology if it is used in a nice and proper way, but I'm not dependent on technology because we see that we all have the superpower with us. So I rather use my superpowers rather than use superpower developed by others.
क्या बात है. So what else are you doing? One is brain rhymes. What other
Yeah.
activities are you doing as of now?
Right. So we have our students. So our main focus of Brain Rhyme is on three different aspects. One is to help students to be recognized at the international level. So we are now taken up an activity of creating world record holders. So already five of my students have created world records. Three more are in a pipeline, and a few more have we are training them on creating world records. The second is research. So we want that our students should do a lot of research and find out the information and publish papers so that they can get the credits when they will go abroad for further studies. And the third is innovation. There are a lot of work to be done on innovation, and I think our students, I think globally the students, the children who are there are fantastic and they have a fine edge of creativity and innovation. So combination of this can lead them to a great heights, and I want them to merge their creativity, innovation and childhood together so that they can create a dynamite.
क्या बात है. A beautiful, very message, and a round of applause for you, Sushant. I'm very happy to hear this because I always believe that that creativity is very, very important for children. I used to draw as a child. I used to sing as a child. I used to dance. I had classes, and then somewhere when I went into the medical school, everything went away. Still little bit was remaining. Then I got married. Then I started my singing, started my dancing. Again it took a back seat because I was not practicing, I was not doing abhyas. And what you're telling is so beautiful. Creative brain is the brain of a successful brain, according to me. When your mind is busy with something or the other, making beautiful things, creating beauty in your life, that is what is achievement is, that is what success means to me. So thank you so much for that, Sushant. I want to ask you that as a child, what did you want to become?
I never had any thing in mind as to I will become this because at that time we did not have anyone to guide us. We just did as we saw and we just moved forward. I got my niche at the age of 35. So wherein
Wow.
I understood that these are the areas where I can work on it and I can use my skill sets. So till then I was just flowing like a free bird. My wings and feathers were just moving as the air flew.
क्या बात है. Yeah. That is a very nice analogy you have given. So most of us are like leaves. We are going with the wind. यहाँ से वहाँ से यहाँ. But it's nice that at 35 you got your niche. I got my niche now. That also I'm not very sure about it. I'm thinking my niche is to spread happiness. But as a child, I always look at the people in
Great.
my life. I looked at the people in my life, and as a medical doctor also, when I started practicing, I looked at people. I studied them, I surveyed them, I chatted with them, and I found that the people who were the most negative, most unhappy, they were falling sick again and again. They were always falling sick. And that is how, when I started talking to them, when I met people who were always praising other people, appreciating other people, who are thankful for what they have, they were happier and they felt less sick also. So I thought of, as a child also, I saw this
True.
thing amongst my uncle, my auntie, and my children and everybody. Ki bhai, happy living is the healthy living. So you know what? I just remembered that I'm just getting my niche now.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, I just getting my niche now. So when you were 35 and you started doing whatever you're doing now, so what was your journey? How was it? What were your challenges? I'm sure it will be a tough journey. What we see of Sushant now is a very successful, a big achiever in life, but I'm sure the journey behind must have been tough. So can you tell us a little bit about your challenges that you faced in your life?
Definitely. When I started with my organization, when I started with the conceptualization of the idea behind what I want to become and where it will take me, or what are the challenges. So first thing what I identified is such type of programs were not available at that time. So
Yeah.
if I used to tell the parents that I have learned some techniques which can help your child to memorize the whole book, and they said that this is something bluff and this is not at all possible. And they said, okay, let the child finish the examination. In vacation, we will try your program. So I said, why don't you try it before the examination so that you can believe on your eyes, ears, nose, all the five senses and the six senses also, that this can be really a magical way of the transformation from A to B.
Yeah.
But since it was a conceptual idea which had never been floated, and never people have not tasted the success, it was very difficult for me to put these things into a framework. And I started with one student,
I'm sure.
and I showed the results, and from that one it became two, and in the binary model it went from 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 30, and
Uh,
so on. So today I have been able to generate a lot of more than 10 lakh students. I have been trained them, and I have been worked with them, and I'm very happy that they all have understood the difference between the untrained memory and the trained memory.
okay. So when are we going to get a training of our memory? I don't think that I have a great memory. We all need it. Why are you doing only
Okay,
for children?
a simple question.
Yeah.
When you say that your memory is not good, can I ask you one simple question? What do you feel about your memory? Is it good, okay, bad, excellent, poor?
It's good. And I'll tell you one thing, I can remember the things that I want to remember.
Yes.
I, I
So
whatever.
you have answered my two questions. I asked you one, you answered two.
Okay. So,
My next question is, do you have a certificate where saying that your memory is good?
what is the question?
Do
What?
you have any certificate
Uh,
mentioning that your memory is good?
no. Yeah,
So how
of
can
course,
you claim?
my medical, whatever I got, my this thing that shows my memory was good that time when I was writing my exam and all that. No,
So
that is
it was not excellent.
that was by hearting and all that. Okay.
So any of the subjects, can you claim that this subject I am excellent?
Yes, pathology. I'm
So now
excellent.
now yeah, then now there is a difference of opinion. You said good also and excellent also.
Yes, so I have understood pathology very, very well. And that's why I feel that when I understood a subject, my memory is very good in that.
Yes.
That's
The
what I,
second thing which you nicely mentioned, that about the subjects which are interest to you. So
yeah,
interest is the mother of memory, and attention is a father of memory.
yeah, baat hai.
So you were very attentive, and that's why you created that interest. And when
Very,
the parents are there, we are always successful.
very nice. Very good. And that has given me a lot of insight that I'm going to tell from now onwards. I have an excellent memory. I'm not going
I
to
have a
think.
trained memory. You can say I have a trained
Yes,
memory. I'm
yeah.
a super genius.
Yeah, and I
We,
think
we
if I become mindful now of remembering things, यहाँ पे चाबी रखा है मैंने, यहाँ पे मैंने वो रखा है, यहाँ पे मैंने वो रखा है, then I think my memory will improve more. I think so.
definitely,
है ना?
definitely. We are all born super genius.
Super genius.
Unfortunately, no school tells us that you are a genius and super genius. When
Yeah.
they come to Brainrhyme, we start with the concept of super genius.
I'm your student, okay? I'm going to register for you because I'm a super genius and I'm a genius. So that's what I've learned
Yes.
today from you. And that's a great message to give to our children, to the adults also. I think you should start taking the adults into your classes because we
Yes.
need to know. Because I think up to the time I got married, I always thought I was the greatest. I was Jhansi Ki Rani because my father was there to, push me into all these things and encourage me. But the day I got married, after that I have gone down because I had so much responsibilities and I had to do this and I had to do that, and I became क्या कहते हैं, I never thought very good about myself, and then that is how the whole downfall has started in my life, and now again it is going up. So I would like to suggest to you that can you take the adults also and train their memories? Is it possible for you?
Definitely, definitely. Why
So
not?
start now. What are you waiting for?
Age is not at all a this thing, because age is just a number.
तो बच्चों के
We
साथ
all
क्यों
have a
करते हो?
child mind within us,
Yes, totally.
and I want to provoke that child
Respect me.
mind.
हाँ.
I want to provoke that child mind
Yes.
so that you can do, each one of us can do wonders.
तो शुरुआत करो, काय के लिए रुके हो? Start
So
taking classes.
let's start with a story. I would like to share a story to your audience.
Okay.
That be like an ant.
And
Be like that one ant. I will tell a story of an ant.
yeah.
There were a group of ants who were climbing the mountain.
Okay.
And there were some people who were cheering them, wow, wonderful. And there were some people ki, अरे ये लोग से होगा नहीं. They will not climb up. And some ants used to fall down and they used to clap. Wow, what I said, होगा नहीं. And they clapped. And ultimately, slowly, out of the 100 ants, 50 ants fall down, then 75. And ultimately, one ant reached the top. And the interviewers came and asked the ant, how did you climb? The 99 ants fall down. How did you climb this? He said, what?
Wonderful. तो सबको सुनने का ही नहीं, जो नेगेटिव बोल रहा है उसको सुनने का ही नहीं.
So you decide what you want to listen. It's your ears,
Yes.
it's your mouth.
I train my ears to listen to what is good for me, what is noble for me, and like Sushant is saying, whatever gives me more happiness, whatever motivates me, whatever inspires me, whatever impacts me. Thank you so much for this story, lovely story, Sushant. Tell me one thing, your name is called Sushant. So you've always been Shant from your childhood, or you're now also Shant? Shant, calm.
So there are again two school of thoughts.
What is that? It has been
So
said, you know.
the
when we
internal
meet-
school and external school. So whenever I remain shant,
Mm.
and whenever really I have to put forward, now I cannot remain shant because I have to give answers to your questions.
No, but Shant is not about not being excited. You can be excited and you can still be Shant inside. That is the
Yeah.
beauty.
So
That is the-
I'm shant inside. Inside I'm very shant,
yes, that
as
is
my
the-
name suggests.
Yes.
I'm
So
good
let-
and I'm shant also. Su is good and I'm good.
So I met a lady yesterday. She was telling me how she named her daughter, what she wanted her daughter to become.
Wow.
She wanted her daughter to become a sculptor. So she
Okay.
named her daughter into Shilpa or Shilpi.
Very good. Fantastic.
He said,
My name, my grandmother used to read Bengali books.
Okay.
Bengali books. And from that Bengali book, she found the name Sushant. So my grandmother had put me this name.
But she was not a Bengali.
No, she was not a Bengali. She was very fond of reading Bengali books.
Yes. I am also fond of reading Bengali books, and I am taking part every year in Rabindra Sangeets. The non Bengali speaking people take part in Rabindra Sangeets.
Okay.
So I take part every year in that, and I sing one Bengali song
Wow,
from
wow.
Rabindranath Tagore.
I love languages.
Yeah.
Wow, super.
So language
Super.
is learning.
I'd share with you one thing which we did when the COVID started. Yeah, I love languages. When the COVID started, a lot of parents asked me, Sushant, do something. Or we are fed up because we have to look out to our office also, and now the children at home.
Yes.
So can you start some activity? So I said, wow. So that gave me an opportunity to think. I like thinking process. So there we started with the languages, and we came out with 27 different languages.
Wow.
So luckily I got 27 different trainers.
Acha.
So every morning I used to give 5 sentences in English, and we had these 27 groups. So around 19 groups of international language and around 8 groups of national language. So Gujarati, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, we had all these groups. Hindi, Marathi, and Spanish, German, Chinese, Turkish. So all this we had.
Yeah.
And I used to every day put 5 sentences in English. How are you? I am fine. And every group, the trainer used to translate it into the respective language, and we had people popping into it. So every group had at least minimum 100 students, and everybody loved that activity. We had created around 250 sentences,
Wow. That's great because
and we conducted 2 batches. It was a completely free program.
but this will help the brain to grow. Like what is neuroplasticity is the white matter grows. And पहले बोलते थे ना कि नहीं बदलता है ब्रेन, अभी तो आपको पता है न्यूरोसाइंस शो दैट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द ब्रेन कैन बी चेंज्ड by the habits you
Yes.
make, by the languages you learn, and the later you learn new languages, a new instrument, the structure of your brain will change. So you are helping people to get rid of dementia. If you do this activity in elder people now, you help.
We are already doing it. We have already conducted 3 batches.
Yeah.
And for senior citizen, my trainer is also a senior citizen.
Achha. Wow.
He is a 79 years, a gold medalist.
Okay.
He has got 3 gold medals at the Singapore International Memory Championship.
Wow, lovely. So you are doing a great service to the humanity by helping them.
Thank you very much.
By improving their mind and memory, and by throwing away dementia, because you know dementia, Alzheimer's अगर हो गया, एक बंदे का problem नहीं है, पूरी society, पूरी family, the whole, everything around that person, the whole environment is disturbed. You know? So that is, you are
Yes.
doing a very great job, and I congratulate on your achievements. And
Thank you very much.
so much for coming on this show. And I will call you again, and I will ask you
Sure.
what is your next thing to do. Thank you very much.
Dr. Alka, wish you a lot of happiness and wish you a lot of enjoyment in your career too.
Yes, that I'm having. Thank you for wishing me also. I need all of that. Thank you. I'll just stop.